Hey, it's Shay. You guys know me as Shay, as Shayla, Shay Hub Fit, IFBB Bikini Pro, mom of two. You know I travel a lot. You know I eat out a lot. You know I have my Pro on the Go guide. And I talk a lot about eating out and fast food. I want to clarify a couple of things as it pertains to my identity and how I am perceived here on social media, the things that I'm going to be talking about, because up till this point, I've been a little inconsistent and it might come across as I am promoting eating out, which yes, I am, of course. I talk a lot about it. I'm wanting to shift this though. I'm wanting to change my content to reflect more of what I feel like is accurate and healthy and forward thinking and more evidence-based, and talking about the raw things in life, in fitness, in nutrition, and also talking about that life sustainability, because I will continue to talk a ton about eating out. However, I will be coming at it from a really unique approach. I'm excited for you to see it in some of my upcoming content, where you guys all know that eating out is not good. Duh. We all know that. We also know that even though we know that, we still eat out, right? And so we want to make the best choices that we can while we do eat out. And so I'm wanting to change some of the perspectives, because yes, calories and macronutrients matter, but also our daily lifestyles, our habits, our food that we consume all throughout the day, those matter. And maybe a burger isn't going to kill you at McDonald's, but there are things that we need to be aware of and that we need to know when it comes to our daily nutrition. It's not the burger that's killing you. It's not like the one time or the couple times that you eat out. Like, it's your life, long-term sustainability. And so I'm wanting to talk more about the sustainable lifestyle, how you can make better choices eating out so that you can just make the best choice for you and your body. Because people will talk about like, oh, here's the quick fix, or, you know, like people will talk about things. And I'm just wanting to get a little bit more into the weeds of the raw, and also giving you guys hacks that you need to create the best sustainable lifestyle for you. For me, I am learning myself. I'm actually getting my certified nutrition coach license here at the beginning of next year. It's December right now. I'm really excited, looking forward to that. So I'm building my own credibility, building my own education, and wanting to just full on, like, we're going hard. We're going to have so much fun. I'm really excited about it. I feel really passionate about these topics that I'm going to share. And also when it pertains to life, I mean, life is hard, right? But we're here together, right? We're on social media. It's a kind of a part of life. And I'm wanting to just disclose things that people don't really talk about, and ways to make your life a little bit better, make your life more sustainable, make your diet and your nutrition and your lifestyle more sustainable, because who doesn't want that? That's what we're all going for, right? To be happier, to have a better life. So I'm wanting to educate you guys on this. And so I hope you can follow along and just expect some good things from me moving forward. So we'll talk to you guys soon.